Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best air fryers, handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. Ninja Crispy PowerPod Air Fryers. Experience culinary freedom with the Ninja Crispy PowerPod, designed for those who crave versatility in the kitchen. This innovative cooking system empowers you to create delicious meals effortlessly, turning your cooking dreams into reality. Imagine a delightful aroma of perfectly cooked dishes filling your home, all while knowing you're using non-toxic containers that prioritize your health. The striking navy finish enhances the aesthetic of any kitchen, making it an elegant addition to your countertop. With its compact design and multifunctional capabilities, you can tackle everything from crispy air-fried favorites to baked delights. Each meal becomes a celebration, made quickly and safely, giving you more moments to cherish with loved ones. Elevate your cooking game and ignite your passion for food with the Ninja Crispy PowerPod, a perfect blend of style, safety, and convenience, ready to bring joy to your every meal. Number 2. VESYNC Air Fryer Oven. Indulge in culinary creativity with the VESYNC Air Fryer Oven, perfect for those who cherish flavorful meals without the guilt. Imagine savoring golden, crispy chicken or perfectly seared steak that bursts with succulent flavor. This remarkable cooking companion allows you to explore over 130 delectable recipes, transforming mealtime into a delightful experience. Envision gathering with loved ones, sharing nourishing meals that cater to every dietary need, thanks to versatile cooking options. The sleek design fits seamlessly in your kitchen while the efficient cooking capabilities ensure you serve delicious dishes in record time. Create unforgettable memories around the dinner table, where every bite leaves a lasting impression. Let the VESYNC Air Fryer Oven redefine how you cook, making mealtime moments special and enjoyable for everyone in your family. Rediscover the joy of eating well with this innovative kitchen essential. Number 3. Ninja AF181 Air Fryer. Transform your cooking experience with the Ninja Air Fryer Model AF181, the secret to guilt-free meals that satisfy your cravings. Imagine the joy of indulging in crispy fries and succulent chicken wings without the worry of excess fat. This innovative appliance brings the magic of air frying to your kitchen, employing advanced technology to deliver golden perfection every time. Its spacious design makes preparing family meals a breeze, allowing you to whip up large portions for gatherings or cozy nights in. Embrace the versatility of cooking functions that give you the freedom to experiment with air roasting, baking, and more, all with ease. Picture a kitchen filled with delightful aromas and the satisfaction of enjoying healthier meals. Make every meal a celebration with this stylish, efficient air fryer that brings convenience and joy to your culinary adventures. Number 4. RCA Multifunction Air Fryer. The RCA Multifunction Air Fryer MF12 redefines cooking, inspiring joyful moments with family and friends around the dinner table. Picture the delight of preparing crispy rotisserie chicken or mouth-watering baked goods in the comfort of your kitchen. This innovative air fryer goes beyond traditional cooking, enabling you to air fry, bake, dehydrate, roast, and reheat meals to perfection. Its generous 12-quart capacity invites you to create hearty dishes that satisfy everyone at the gathering. The sleek black design enhances any kitchen aesthetic, while the user-friendly touchscreen ensures simplicity and ease. Enjoy the art of cooking without the worry of excess fat, as this air fryer produces deliciously crispy results with minimal oil. Ignite your culinary creativity and experience the happiness that comes from sharing homemade meals with loved ones, turning everyday cooking into a cherished experience. Number 5. Emerald Lagasse B12Q Air Fryer. Elevate your cooking experience with the black aluminum air fryer model B12Q, the ultimate culinary companion for delicious family meals. Imagine gathering around the table, enjoying perfectly cooked dishes that burst with flavor and crunch. This innovative appliance allows you to air fry, bake, and roast all in one space-saving design, giving you the freedom to create a variety of meals effortlessly. With a generous capacity, It easily accommodates your favorite recipes for large gatherings, making every occasion memorable. Experience the delight of watching your food cook to perfection through the clear window, ensuring nothing gets overdone. The easy-to-use capacitive touch control display brings convenience and efficiency to your kitchen, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, sharing love and laughter over a hearty meal. Transform your dining experience with the black aluminum air fryer Model B12Q and savor the joy of cooking. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.